እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው የ11ኛ ክፍል የኢኮኖሚክስ ትምህርት ዩኒት 2 ጥያቄዎችን አብረን እንሰራለን። ዩኒት 2 ማርኬት ስትራክቸር ኤንድ ዘ ዲሲሽን ፊርምስ ይላል። እዚህ ቶፒክ ላይ 130 ጥያቄዎችን አዘጋጅተናል። ይሄኛው ዩኒት 2 እነዚህን 130 ጥያቄዎች በምንሰራበት ሰዓት ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም በቀላሉና በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ እንድትዘጋጁ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ቶፒኩን በቀላሉ አንደርስታንድ እንድታደርጉት ለማድረግ ነው። ኢኮኖሚክስ ብቻ ሳይሆን ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችንም ከ9ኛ እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል ያሉ እንደ ጂኦግራፊ እና ሂስትሪ፣ ማቴማቲክስ፣ እንግሊሽ የትምህርት አይነቶችንም እንደዚሁ ጥያቄዎቹን እየሰራን ቱቶሪያሎቹንም እያቀረብን እንገኛለን። ሁሉንም እዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። እነዚህን ጥያቄዎችና ሌሎችን በርካታ ጥያቄዎች አንድ ላይ በማድረግ ኮምፓይል አድርገን ምንድነው መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል ወይም በመጽሐፍ መልክ አዘጋጅተናል ማለት ነው። ጥያቄዎቹን የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ። ይህንን አጋዥ መጽሐፍ በፒዲኤፍ ወይም በሶፍት ኮፒ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። ለአሁኑ ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንሂድ። Number 1, which of the following is true about the demand curve for a perfectly competitive firm in the short run? A, it's upward sloping. B, it's perfectly elastic. C, it is downward sloping. D, it's vertical. B, it is perfectly elastic now because in perfectly competitive market the firm is price taker ነው። ፊርሙ ምንድነው በፕራይስ ነው የሚዋሳው ማለት ነው። therefore the demand curve is perfectly elastic ወይም horizontal ነው ማለት ነው የከርቡ at the market price. For example, wheat farmer can sell many bashes as desired at the going price. ስለዚህ በተቀመጠ ፕራይስ ለምሳሌ አንድ የስንዴ ዋጋ ቢቀመጥና በዛ ዋጋ ይሸጥ ያለ ድንገት ግን በ1% ወይም ደግሞ ሞር በሆነ እንትን የዋጋ ጭማሪ ቢያደርግ ምን ያደርጋል? ወደ ሌሎች ኮምፒቲተሮች ሽፍት ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። Number 2, what does the marginal cost curve represent in the short run equilibrium of perfectly competitive firm? A, the firm's total cost. B, the firm's average cost. C, supply curve of the firm. D, the demand curve of the firm. C, supply curve of the firm. So in perfectly competition, the marginal cost curve above the average variable cost ማለት ነው is the firm's short run supply curve ይባላል ማለት ነው። 3, in perfectly competitive market, what happens in the long run if firms are making positive economic profit? A, firms exit the market. B, the market price decreases due to new firms entering. C, firms increase their price to maximize profit. D, the market price increases due to decreased supply. B, the market price decreases due to new firms entering. new firm enter ባደረገ ቁጥር ማርኬት ፕራይሱ ያው እየቀነሰ ይሄዳል። Number 4, in the short run equilibrium for a perfectly competitive firm, the price is equal to which of the following? A, marginal revenue. B, total cost. C, average variable cost. D, average total cost. A, marginal revenue ነው። marginal revenue እና ፕራይስ ኢኳል ነው የሚሆኑት in perfectly competitive firm ላይ ማለት ነው for the short run equilibrium ማለት ነው። ኦኬ in perfect competition the price is equal to the marginal revenue since the firm can sell any amount of output at the prevailing market price. 5, what is true about the pure monopoly demand curve? A, it's perfectly elastic. B, it's same as the market demand curve. C, it's downward sloping. D, it's vertical. B, it's the same as the market demand curve. Okay, in pure monopoly the firm is only producer, so its demand curve is the same as the market demand curve which is downward sloping ነው ማለት ነው የኛው curve 6 what effects does price discrimination have in a monopoly market? A. It leads to single price for all consumers. B. It reduces the monopolist's total revenue. C. It allows monopolists to increase the total revenue by changing different prices to different consumers. D. It eliminates the consumer surplus. C. It allows the monopolists to increase total revenue by charging different prices to different consumers. አሁን ይሄ ሞኖፖሊ ማርኬት የሚባለው ምንድነው? በአንድ ተቋም ብቻ ኮንትሮል የሚደረግ ማርኬት ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ መብራት ኃይል ብንወስድ አሁን መብራት ኃይል አንድ ካምፓኒ ነው የሚያቀርበው ፎር ኤግዛምፕል ሌላ ኮምፒቲሽን የለበትም ማለት ነው። ሶ ሌላ ኮምፒቲሽን እስከሌለበት ድረስ ምን ይፈቅድለታል ማለት ነው? ይሄ ፕራይስ ዲስክሪሚኔሽን የሚባለው ቶታል ሬቬኒውን ኢንክሪዝ ማድረግ ይችላል። ቶታል ገቢውን ኢንክሪዝ ማድረግ ምን በማድረግ ቻርጂንጉን ወይም ደግሞ ክፍያውን እንደፈለገ በመጨመር ማለት ነው። ለተለያዩ ኮንሱመሮች የተለያየ አይነት ክፍያ ማስከፈል ይችላል ኮምፒውተር እስከሌለበት ድረስ ማለት ነው። 7 what is the main characteristic of a monopolistic competition market? A. Firm produce identical products. B. There is a significant barriers to entry. C. Firms sell differentiated products. D. Firms are price takers. C. Firms sell differentiated products. Okay. So in a monopolistic competition, firms sell similar but differentiated products allowing them some degree of market power. 8 in monopolistic competition, which of the following is true under short-run equilibrium? A. Firms earn zero economic profit. B. The price is equal to average total cost. C. Firms experience losses. D. The price exceeds average total cost. D. The price exceeds average total cost. Okay. So in the short-run equilibrium, firms in monopolistic competition may earn positive economic profit as long as the price is greater than the average total cost. ፕራይሱ ከአቨሬጅ ቶታል ኮስት ይበልጣል ማለት ነው። 9 in long run equilibrium of monopolistic competition, what happens to economic profits? A. Firms earn positive economic profits. B. Firms earn zero economic profit. C. Firms exit the market. D. The price increases due to reduced competition. B. Firms earn zero economic profit. Okay. In the long run, firms in the monopolistic competition earn zero economic profit. ለምንድነው ዜሮ ኢኮኖሚክ ፕሮፊት የተባለው? ቢኮዝ ኒው ፊርምስ ኢንተር ኢንቱ ዘ ማርኬት ኢንክሪዚንግ ኮምፒቲሽን which drives prices down ማለት ነው። 10 which of the following is not characteristic of a oligopoly market structure? A. Few firms dominate the market. B. Firms produce differentiated or identical products. C. High barriers to entry. D. Firms are price takers. D. Firms are price takers ነው። Okay. In oligopoly የሚባለው firms are not price takers. Okay. ይሄኛው not true. Okay. Characteristics of oligopoly አይደለም ማለት ነው። ይሄ በፕራይስ አይደለም የሚወሰነው። ኦኬ instead they have some degree of market power and may engage the price setting behavior. ፕራይሱ ሴት በማድረግ ወይም ፕራይሱን ኮንትሮል በማድረግ የሚካሄድ ነው ይሄ ኦሊጎፖሊ የሚባለው ማለት ነው። ሌሎቹ ግን they are the characteristics of the oligopoly ናቸው። few firms dominate the market. firms produce differentiated or identical products, high barriers to entry የሚሉት they are the characteristics of the oligopoly ማለት ነው። For example, a handful of airlines adjust fares in response to rivals moves rather than taking price as given ማለት ነው። 11 which of the following best describes collusive oligopoly? A. Firms act independently to set prices. B. Firms cooperate to maximize joint profits. C. Firms produce identical products and set the same prices. D. Firms do not engage in strategic behavior. B. Firms cooperate to maximize joint profits. Okay, so in collusive oligopoly, firms cooperate often through cartel, okay, to set prices or output levels in order to maximize collective profits. 12 in non-collusive oligopoly, which of the following is most likely to happen? A. Firms will compete by increasing output. B. Firms will secretly collude to increase prices. C. Firms will set prices and output independently. D. Firms will reduce product differentiation. C. Firms will set prices and output independently. In 13, in the short run equilibrium of monopoly, the price charged by the monopolists is A equal to marginal revenue, B below marginal cost, C above average total cost, D equal to marginal cost. C above the average total cost። ይሄ ፕራይስ ቻርጅድ ባይ ዘ ሞኖፖሊስትስ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? above average total cost. Okay, in the short run equilibrium, a monopolist typically charges a price that is above average total cost. 14, which of the following statement is true for firms in a monopolist's competition market in the long run? A. Firms are able to charge the same price as firms in the perfect competition. B. Product differentiation leads to economic profits. C. New firms enter the market, reducing the demand for each existing firm's product. D. Firms earn positive economic profits due to differentiation. C. New firms enter the market, reducing the demand for each existing firm's product. 15, which of the following is an example of pure monopoly? A. Automobile industry. B. Local water utility. C. Smartphone market. D. Airline industry. ቢ ሎካል ዋተር ዩቲሊቲ ነው። የውሃ አገልግሎት የሚሰጥ ተቋም ለምሳሌ ሞኖፖሊ ነው። ፒውር ሞኖፖሊ ማለት አንድ ተቋም ምንም ኮምፒቲሽን የሌለበት አቅራቢ ሲሆን ፒውር ሞኖፖሊ ይባላል። this is an example of pure monopoly. So a pure monopoly occurs where a single firm dominates the entire market. ሁሉንም ማርኬት አንድ ሲንግል ፊርም ዶሚኔት ሲያደርግ ማለት ነው። And a local water utility is often only provides of water service in the region. 16, what is the primary characteristics of firms in a perfectly competitive market? A. Firm sets their own prices. B. Each firm is a price maker. C. Each firm is a price taker. D. Firms have monopolistic power. C. Each firm is price taker. Okay, ፕራይስ ቴከር ነው። ይሄ ፐርፌክትሊ ኮምፒቲቲቭ በፕራይስ ነው የሚወሰነው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ኢን ፐርፌክትሊ ኮምፒቲቲቭ ማርኬት firms cannot set their own prices as they are too small to influence the market. So the price is determined by the market equilibrium and the firm must accept these prices. Okay. 17. In perfectly competitive market, the demand curve for an individual firm is a downward sloping, horizontal, vertical, U-shaped. B. Horizontal. Okay. The demand curve for an individual firm is perfectly competitive market is perfectly elastic ነው። perfectly elastic ነው ማለት horizontal ነው ማለት horizontal line. So this horizontal line because of the firm can sell any quantity of output at the given market price ማለት ነው። For example, if the market price is 50 ብር per kilo, firm can sell any amount at 50 ብር but none at 51 ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ስለዚህ የሆነ እቃ ለምሳሌ 50 ብር በኪሎ የሚሸጥ ከሆነ any amount በ50 ብር መሸጥ ይችላል። not the 51 ምናምን መጨመር አይችልም ማለት ነው። ይሄ ምን ያደርገዋል ማለት ነው? ሆሪዞንታል ላይን እንዲሆን ያደርገዋል ማለት ነው። 18 in the short run perfectly competitive firm maximizes its profit when A. marginal cost equals average total cost. B. marginal cost equals price. C. total revenue equals total cost. D. marginal cost equals marginal revenue. D. marginal cost equals marginal revenue. Okay, so a firm maximizes profit in the short run when marginal cost equals marginal revenue. Okay. 19. what does the total revenue curve look like for a perfectly competitive firm? A. It's straight horizontal line. B. It's slope upward in a straight line. C. It slopes downward. D. It has a U shape. B. It slopes upward in a straight line. Okay, so since a perfectly competitive firm price taker እንደመሆኑ ማለት ነው the total revenue curve is straight line with a slope equal to the market price of a good. 20. at which point is a perfectly competitive firm is short run equilibrium? A. when price equals average total cost. B. when price equals marginal cost. C. when average revenue is greater than marginal cost. D. when total cost exceeds total revenue. B. when price equals marginal cost. Okay, so in short run equilibrium a perfectly competitive firm produces at the quantity where price equals marginal cost ማለት ነው። this ensures profit maximization. 21. in the short run if the market price is above average total cost a perfectly competitive firm will A. firm earn a profit. B. experience a loss. D. break even. D. shut down immediately. A. earn profit. Okay, if the market price is above the average total cost the firm will earn a profit since total revenue exceeds total cost. total revenue ከቶታል ኮስት ስለሚበልጥ ማለት ነው ፕሮፊት ያገኛል ማለት ነው። 22. in a perfectly competitive firm produces at a point where price equals marginal cost but the price is less than average total cost. The firm will A. earn a profit. B. experience a loss. C. break even. D. shut down. B. experience a loss. Okay, so if the price is less than average total cost, ፕራይሱ ከቶታል አቨሬጅ ኮስቱ ካነሰ at the equilibrium quantity the firm will incur loss ያደርጋል ወይም ኪሳራ ይደርስበታል ማለት ነው። 23 what does the average total cost curve typically look like for perfectly competitive firm? A, it's U-shape. B, it's slopes down throughout. C, it is a straight line. D, it slopes upward throughout. A, it's U-shaped. Okay. The average total cost curve is U-shaped because its initial declines as the firm experiences increasing return to scale, but eventually rises as diminishing returns ማለት ነው። 24 the shutdown point for perfectly competitive firms occurs where A, average total cost equals price. B, marginal cost equals average variable cost. C, price equals marginal revenue. D, marginal cost equals marginal revenue. B, marginal cost equals average variable cost. Okay, so the shutdown point occurs when the price falls to the level where the marginal cost curves intersects the average variable cost curve. ማለት ነው። 25 what happens in a perfectly competitive market if firms are incurring losses? A, firms will continue to produce if they have, they can cover variable costs. B, firms will shut down immediately. C, firms will increase prices to reduce losses. D, firms will exit the market immediately. A, firms will continue to produce if they can cover variable costs ማለት ነው። Okay, in short run, if firms can cover their variable costs but not fixed costs, they will continue to operate. As shutting down would lead to greater losses ማለት ነው። Okay, 26 which of the following best describes firms total cost in the short run? A, total cost equals fixed cost plus variable cost. B, total cost equals revenue minus profit. C, total cost equals fixed cost times output. D, total cost equals marginal cost times output. A, total cost equals fixed cost plus variable cost ማለት ነው። Okay, so total cost in the short run is the sum of total cost ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? the sum of fixed cost which do not change with output and variable cost which change with output ማለት ነው። variable cost እና fixed cost ሲደመሩ total cost in the short run ይሰጠናል ማለት ነው። 27 in the long run perfectly competitive firms will produce at the level where A, marginal revenue equals marginal cost. B, price equals average total cost. C, price exceeds average variable. D, total cost equals total revenue. B, price equals average total cost. Okay, in the long run perfectly competitive firms will enter and exit the market util the price equals the minimum of the average total cost curve. Okay, 28 in a perfectly competitive market the industry is considered the price taker, maker, setter, adjuster. Maker. Okay, price maker. While individual firms are price takers, individual firm የሚባሉት price taker ናቸው። The entire industry determines the market price based on the interactions of supply and demand ማለት ነው። 29 in a perfect computation the firm's marginal revenue curve is A upward sloping, downward sloping, horizontal at the market price, D vertical. C horizontal at market price. Okay, in perfectly competitive market, marginal revenue is constant and equal to the market price. 30 if a perfectly competitive firm is at a minimum point of its average total cost curve, it is A maximizing its profit, B incurring loss, C earning zero profit, D operating inefficiently. C earning zero profit. Okay, so at the minimum point of the average total cost curve, the firm is earning zero economic profit as the price equals average total cost ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ጥያቄዎቹን ለፓርት 1 ብለን ያዘጋጀናቸው ጥያቄዎች እነዚህ ናቸው። ፓርት 2 3 እና 4 እስከ 5 ድረስ እንቀጥላለን። እዚህ ቶፒክ ላይ ወይም እዚህ ዩኒት ላይ የተዘጋጀው አጠቃላይ 130 ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። እነዚህን 130 ጥያቄዎች ሁሉንም አብረን እንሰራለን። ጥያቄዎቹን የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። መጽሐፉ የያዘው ምንድነው? ጥያቄዎችን ከነ መልስና በቂ ማብራሪያ ጋር ሾርት ኖት ጋር የያዘ መጽሐፍ ነው። ይህ መጽሐፍ በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም እንድትዘጋጁ የሚያግዛችሁ መጽሐፍ ነው። ሌሎችም በርካታ መጽሐፎች አሉን። ከ9ኛ እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል ያሉ የተለያዩ የትምህርት አይነቶችን ያዘጋጀንበት አጋዥ መጽሐፎች አሉ። እነዚህን መጽሐፎች በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። ለሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።